Now, in this Regents Review 6, we are mainly seeing the topics mid-segment theorem, side cutter theorem, and medians property. Based on these three properties of theorems, we do the problems. First, I give you the idea about the mid-segment theorem. So, what is mid-segment theorem? Whenever the line segment joins the middle points of two sides, see the D is the midpoint of AC and E is the midpoint of AB. Then D is the line segment joining these midpoints. Therefore, this D is the line segment joining the midpoints, I can say. And this is the third side of the triangle. According to this theorem, this DE is exactly half of this CB. And also this DE is parallel to CB. So the DE is parallel to CB and also the DE is half of CB. That means if it is 20, this will be 10. If it is 200, this will be 100. If it is 100, this will be 50, just like that. And also these two are parallel. That is what the mid-segment theorem. So based on these two properties, the problems are created here. So these are all the previous Regents questions. See, let us see the first question. Here what is he saying? DE joining the midpoints of triangle, the segment ADC and AEB. Which statement is not true, he is saying. That means this if any statement is true, that is not our answer. So we want not true. So DE is half CB. Of course, this mid-segment theorem says DE is half CB. That is correct. But we want not correct, so this is not our answer. In the same way, DE is parallel to CB. DE is parallel to CB according to this mid-segment theorem. That is true actually. So, but we don't want not true, we want. Therefore, this is not our answer. If you see the fourth one, this triangle ABC and this triangle AED, definitely they are similar. This is also correct statement, but that is not our answer. Therefore, the only choice is 3. AD over DC is equal to DE over CB he is giving. That is wrong actually. So wrong only our correct answer. In the same type, you please try second one. Now, if you see here, this third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, and eighth, up to eighth, third to eighth, all these 6 problems same type. I am going to first show you third one. Also, I can show you sixth. Based on these, the remaining problems you have to do by yourself. So, the third one you see, in the triangle ABC, AB is 10 and BC is 14, AC is 16. Find the perimeter of the triangle formed by connecting the midpoints of the sides of this triangle ABC. See, these are the midpoints. You see, this is the midpoint of AB and this is the midpoint of AC and this is the midpoint of BC. Therefore, I am joining these two midpoints first of all. So this line segment is parallel to AC and also this will be half of this one. Since it is 16, this must be 8. In the same manner, when you join these two, this is parallel to this one, and if it is 10, half of 10 is 5. In the same model, when you join these two, and this is parallel to this one, and since it is 14, this must be 7. Now we want the perimeter of this triangle. Suppose if I name it as DEF, we want the perimeter of triangle DEF. Therefore, perimeter of triangle DEF is equal to DE plus EF plus FD. I got DE as 8 and EF is 5 and FD is 7. When I add these three numbers, I get 20. 20 is the perimeter of this one. So in this way, you have to find the perimeter of this triangle formed by the line segment joining the midpoints of these 3 sides of the given triangle. Let's see the next page. I am going to do now 6th one. What is the 6th one says? In the diagram of triangle ABC shown below, D is the midpoint of AB and E is the midpoint of BC and F is the midpoint of AC. Therefore, and also he is giving AB as 20 and BC as 12 and AC is 16. What is the perimeter of trapezoid ABEF? See, I am drawing with red color here. This is the line and this is the perimeter you have to find. That's why I am drawing the diagram carefully. Now the perimeter is AB plus BE plus EF plus EFD. So these segments, if you add, you will get the perimeter. And first of all, we should know the value of FE. If this is 20, half of 20, this is 10. And in the same manner, if this is 16, half of this 16 is 8 here. If this fully is 12, from here to here only half, which is 6. And if like that. So the required perimeter is AB. AB means totally given as 20. BE, that means BE is only 6. And EF, which is 10. And FD, see, if this is 6, sorry, if this is 12, half of 12 is, this must be 6. But we don't want that. I'm sorry. FD is here, that is 8. Therefore, one more time. 20 plus 6 plus 10 plus 8. Then if you add 20 plus 10, 30, 36, 44 is the perimeter of this trapezoid ABEF. So like that, you have to do even 7th and 8th in the same manner. Let me show you 9th one. Here in this diagram, D is the midpoint of AB. So this D is middle point and E is the midpoint of BC. So DE is the line segment joining these two midpoints. Therefore, AC is given as 4x plus 10. What is the expression of DE he is saying? We know DE is half of this AC, right? According to mid-segment theorem. Therefore, half of AC means 4x plus 10. So this half you have to multiply for each term using distributive property. So half of 4x plus half of 10 we have to do here. Half of 4 is 2, so 2x. Half of 10 is 5. So 2x plus 5, if I search for the answer, I get the second one as the correct answer. Like 9th one, please do 10th and 11th. And also you can try in the same model 12th and 13th also. And we see the 14th in the next video. Thank you.